Hey guys, so there you see me loading my outdoor wood boiler. So I use this outdoor furnace to actually heat my house and our detached building, our rec center. And I do it all with wood that I get out of our forest. Now I only live on a couple acres along the river, but we have a ton of down trees that I've been collecting firewood to keep this thing running. And I need a little bit more to get us through the winter. And I don't own an ATV, I don't own a UTV, I can't fit a Jeep down the trail. So I've had to get kind of creative and figure out a way to use my lawnmower to get down our hill, about a 35-foot drop, cut some firewood, and haul that stuff all the way back up the hill. Now I'm gonna show you guys that you can get a lot done with a traditional lawn tractor that you might think that you need an ATV for, but you don't. So follow along and I'm gonna show you guys how I set up my Husqvarna TS 354 XD lawn tractor to do a lot of really cool off-road work. One of the things I always try and remember to do before I get out in the woods is filing that chainsaw chain. All right guys, well, we got everything loaded up and we are ready to take this thing out in the woods. So you'll notice I've got snow chains on here and ready for some winter action, but those are really what gonna make the difference when you guys are out in the woods. This is where you're gonna find your traction on those hills. And the other trick, I drop my tire pressure down to about 10 PSI, and that's really gonna give you that extra added bonus when going off-roading. All right guys, so I got this thing pulled into the deep of my woods. Tons of deadfall on the ground here. We get flooding every spring, so it brings new logs into my backyard, which is kind of cool for firewood use. So now I'm gonna get all set up and we're gonna chop some of this stuff up, load it in the trailer, and head back up the hill. All right guys, so that's how I use my Husqvarna 354 XD lawn tractor to do firewood collection. And it's a great little machine, great for mowing your lawn, getting out in the woods, and even snow blowing. So I hope you guys have a great day today. Thanks for watching with me and have a nice day outside and in nature.